is the pure herbal medicine for the patient who is suffering with the sleep. This patient is suffering with the lower backache and swelling and redness over the back region, and also unable to sit down, and also there is pain during the running or the walking, and there is hypocalcemia, multiple times fractures, and severe anemia. And in such conditions, in allopathic calcium tablets and injectables given, vitamin D, iron and protein powders given, associated with the various steroids and painkillers. But in Ayurveda, we don't use such a treatment because it may have many side effects. In herbal medicines, you have given to the patient for once, 2 or 3 times for the instant pain relief, and in emergency conditions, Panchakarma treatment started to patients with the various type of the Nasyam treatment to get relief within the 1, 2 or 3 days from the pains, and also the Basti treatment, woman variation treatment given to get the instant pain relief.